Welcome to the Cosmic Queen YouTube channel. This is the place for visionaries and entrepreneurs with big goals and big dreams, especially those who want what I call the cosmic edge. So here we're going to be talking all things business, branding, identity, confidence, and all of the stuff that you really need to know to support yourself and your goals in your business, in your life, in your relationships. But we're really going to be focusing on business and leadership and identity. I love this. I have so many plans for the content that I'm going to bring to you all on this channel. There's going to be a lot of very practical content. So I'm all about the practical magic. If you know me, you know that if you've been following me for a while on other channels. So we're going to talk about how to, but how to what? How to use cosmic systems like astrology and human design to support and empower you. This is about working smarter and not harder. I am a huge fan of identity work, and it really is my work as a life coach, as a business coach, as an identity coach. I help people take their dreams and make them a reality by knowing, loving, and being themselves. What do I mean by this? So a lot of people are going through a bit of an identity crisis, and it comes out so clearly in business, because business is where you have to put yourself forward. You have to say, hey, here I am, I'm in charge, I've got this product, I've got this service, and I want it to go big. I want you to buy it. And so we get all in our heads because, all of our insecurities, all of our worries, all of our overthinking, all of our stuckness is going to come up in this scenario. And we're thinking about, oh my God, how do I present myself? How do I show up and put my best foot forward? How do I get people to know, like, and trust me, right? So what does this all have to do with? Our identity, our confidence, who we see ourselves as, who we choose to be. And astrology and human design are incredible systems for understanding ourselves deeper, better, and to empower ourselves to do big things. So a little bit about me. So I am Rachel Onajaffe. I am the CEO and founder of Cosmic Queen, and I used to be a tech management consultant. So I had this very corporate, very, tight-laced career. I was doing really well. I hit all of my financial milestones. I was killing it, but I just felt so deeply unfulfilled. And you can hear a bit of my accent. I'm from California, but I actually live here in the UK. So I love this place. I love exploration. I love learning new things. I love travel. But I wasn't really being myself. And so when I realized that I was unfulfilled in my work, I realized I had to do something about it. And so one thing led to another. I was in the middle of my Saturn return. Woo! Yes. I learned so many deep lessons about, really taking charge of my life, about really who am I? That's what all of us go through in our Saturn return. And I decided to start a business. So my first business was actually an events business. And then I went into coaching and personal development and business coaching. And I brought all of the skills and knowledge that I had from my, 9-year career in management consulting over now to support fabulous, genius, creative entrepreneurs. And I feel so fulfilled by my life. I love it so much. I, started my business for real right during the pandemic. So I went through my Saturn return and dabbled a bit, but then I went all in on my business after I had my baby in lockdown, essentially. And it was the hardest, but the best thing that I have ever done. And I want to help other entrepreneurs and ambitious people out there to do things that fulfill their soul, to do things that have a positive impact on their community and world, to really create a life that they can be proud of, but that, when you go to bed at the end of the day, you are filled up. You feel so good, because that's what I've been able to do for myself. So I discovered astrology and human design when I was in the depths, I was in the depths of despair, and I was like, oh my gosh. And I found these systems that gave me this incredible understanding. There's nothing wrong with me. I have a unique genius. I have something to offer. This is who I am. Why have I been apologizing for these dynamic sides of me, right? So I can't wait to teach you more and to share more of the wisdom of cosmic systems with you. Now, let me tell you a bit more about this space and this channel and what it is for, okay? So this is a space where you're going to be courageous. I'm all about courage. You know, like we talk about confidence a lot, right? And it's like, just be confident, fake it till you make it. But, you know, you don't gain confidence until you've been courageous. The courageous step goes first. And believe me, I know a lot about being courageous, about putting yourself out there, about willing to fail, about, you know, melting that shame away and just being like, you know what? I'm in this. I'm going to do it. I'm going to go for it. That's what we're going to be doing. And that's what I'm going to support you with, the knowledge to know how you can be more courageous in your life and your business. Then this is also a place for being authentic. I mean, authenticity is a buzzword, has always been, but especially now with social media platforms and so many ways that we present ourselves, you know, authenticity is queen. Authenticity is the key. A lot of times we overthink it. A lot of times we're like, wait, how do I be authentic? How do I be myself, but still curate my products and services? Still, you know, put my best foot forward. Still, you know, edit and you know, consider what I'm sharing with everyone. This is also a place for being curious. You know, whether you're super obsessed with astrology and human design like I am, and you're just here to totally nerd out with me, or you're completely new to this and you're just a bit cosmically curious. You're like, what is this? What are we doing here? Is this real? Is this useful? I'm not sure. If you're dabbling, you are welcome here. Be curious. Curiosity is so essential for successful business. It's what like opens your mind to other things and helps you to constantly not only be the master of what you do, but a student so that you can grow, adapt, and evolve. And that's the key to success. Lastly, this is a place to be inclusive and respectful. And I cannot emphasize this enough. This is a woke space. It's so funny. There's like so much talk about the word woke and like whether it's cool or not, blah, blah, blah. But it's just about being awake to the beautiful diversity of our human experience. This is a place that is, you know, safe for LGBTQ plus people. This is a place that is safe for people who are racially diverse in genders. I just want to be super clear about that up front. And if that's not cool to you, then you know, find another channel. This is not the place for you. I want all the comments and everything to be respectful. You know, I want you to come in here with an open mind to learn about other people and really importantly, to learn about yourself and really creating a world where we all feel comfortable and safe to live in. I'm not always going to do it right. I'm not always going to say it right, and neither are you, but we're here to show up and do our best. So I hope you enjoy all of the content on this channel. Binge it, enjoy it, use it, you know, make it part of your day-to-day in your life and business. And of course, subscribe and follow. Sign up to my email list as well, because in the Cosmic Queen community, we are doing amazing things. I have courses, I do one-to-one mentorship, I have an incredible membership program called the Constellation Community, and I'll be talking about, you know, those here and there throughout my videos to, of course, promote what I do because it is so useful and so amazing. But I want to say, I hope that you learn something when you stop by on these videos. I hope that your mind is expanded. And I also hope that you are empowered within yourself to go after your dreams. This is what I always say to myself and my people. Keep reaching for the stars. This is what we're here for. And we're here to do big things, and we're here to do them courageously, and we're here to do them authentically. I cannot wait to continue this journey with you. Mwah! See you later.